You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down and learn how to pronounce this word. It's pretty straightforward actually once you know British English pronunciation. The American is slightly different. Longevity. Let's break it down. Lon, okay. Je, so you have a J sound. It's spelled with a G, but it's actually more of a J sound. So longevity. The stress is on the J syllable. Longevity. In American English, it's pronounced more as longevity. Lon, it's a more open on sound rather than on. Longevity. Or longevity with a flap T, that sounds like a D. Okay, so let's summarize. British English pronunciation, longevity. American English pronunciation, longevity. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.